Behavior and behavior are the same word with different spellings. Behavior is the American English spelling, while behavior is the British English spelling. The meaning and usage are identical, referring to the way a person, animal, or thing acts or conducts itself. The difference is purely regional. So, which version you use depends on the form of English you're writing in. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or follow for more.